welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here, and I am back with another video. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing Urban Decay's Honey palette. I haven't opened it yet, even though this is like this. I was trying to record like 5 minutes ago and then my phone died. So I was like, damn. But now I'm back. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you know what it looks like if you clicked on the video. I already have the Cherry palette from a while ago. One of my favorite things about the palette is the brush that came with it. So I'm so excited to get another brush. So, ooh. You can't really tell on camera, but they're 3D letters. You could kind of see it, they're poking out. And it's like this metallic, like honey cream. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the detail. It's all one color, but I'm really feeling the 3D part, and I'm really feeling the way the actual palette feels. So when you open it up, you have the colors. It is Flyby, Sweet, Swarm, Amber, Keeper, Golden, Honey, Queen, Hive, Drip, HBIC, and Sting. As you know, it comes with the brush and it has the mirror. I'm excited. So stay tuned to see what type of makeup I put together. Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup video. I really enjoyed this palette. So if you're into neutrals, but you love a little bit of pop of color, a little shine, a little sparkle, this is the palette for you. The golden, the honey, is definitely reminding me of Fenty Beauty, but not as sparkly, but definitely as shiny. Yeah, so that is my tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye.